Welcome back to another episode of Julia's Jammin Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna make a moist, delicious, perfectly spiced pumpkin bread. And I'm gonna make it using that beautiful pumpkin puree we made in our last video. But first, like, subscribe, share with family and friends. Now, let's get jamming in the kitchen. First up, I'm gonna melt my salted butter. And if you're wondering, it's 113.5 grams. Let's add some sugar. I have 100 grams of granulated sugar and 100 grams of dark brown sugar. This will add a little molasses flavor. Let's whisk it up. I'm gonna add 2 large eggs. Let's whisk these together until nice and combined. I'm gonna add our pumpkin spice now and some vanilla extract. I wish we had smell-o-vision because it's really starting to smell like fall. I'm gonna move this over to the side real quick. I'm gonna add our baking soda to our all-purpose flour and just give it a quick stir with my fork. This is gonna help just disperse our baking soda throughout our flour so we don't run the risk of having pockets of baking soda in our batter. Let's grab our wet ingredients and combine the two. I like to start slowly so I don't make flour splatter everywhere. Our mixture is nice and combined. Let's add our pumpkin puree. It's 226 grams. Add our creme fraiche, it's 106 grams. Let's fold this together until just combined. Our batter looks good, nice and silky, everything looks to be nice and combined. Let's grab our baking pans. Got our parchment paper and our loaf pans. Let's grab our batter and divide it equally between both pans. Look at this nice, beautiful, silky batter. It smells delicious. I'm getting a hint of molasses from our dark brown sugar, and those nice spices are definitely smelling like fall. Our loaves are ready to go. Let's pop them in the oven for approximately 50 minutes at 350 degrees. People make fun of crushing parchment paper and sticking them in loaf pan because it looks bad and the loaves aren't perfect, but look how easy these come out. I can't wait for them to completely cool so we can taste them. Our pumpkin bread looks and smells delicious. I'm getting that aroma from our pumpkin spice. It's beautiful golden color. You can really see that nice hue that our pumpkin puree added to our bread. I am gonna go in for a taste. Our pumpkin bread, it's not too sweet. The texture, it's silky and smooth at the same time. It's very moist. The pumpkin puree really shines, and you get that forwardness of our pumpkin pie spices. I think this is delicious. This is the perfect bread to kick off fall. Go get experimenting in your kitchen, and I'll see you next time on Julia's Jammin Kitchen.